Is your garage door causing you trouble? Don't let fraudulent companies take advantage of you. Tip Top Garage Doors Repair in Franklin is here to help. Start by checking reviews and references. Genuine companies had positive reviews and happy customers. Always get a detailed list of services and costs. Reliable companies provide clear information and warranties. Make sure the company is licensed and insured. This ensures protection and quality service. Watch out for door-to-door services. Legitimate companies don't operate this way. Ask for credentials. Be wary of unusually low discounts. Compare prices to know what's reasonable. Trust your instincts. If a company doesn't feel right, move on to a reputable option. For reliable garage door repair in Franklin, call Tip Top Garage Doors Repair today